How to fix Facebook account logout issue. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to fix Facebook account logout issue. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to update your Facebook app. To do that, just simply open your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and then make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. So it is important to update your Facebook since they might be fixing your bugs on your app. So assuming now that you have done updating your Facebook, then you may proceed now with the second option. So you may open your Facebook and then go to your menu found on the lower right corner of the screen if you're using iOS or on the upper right corner if you are using Android. So now you may scroll down and look for settings and privacy and then go to settings and wait for it to load. And then now you're going to click on password and security under your account and then wait for it to load and make sure to click on see all on the rightmost part of where you're logged in. So wait for it to load once again, scroll down and make sure to click on log out of all session. So what this will do is that it will log out all your account from different devices. And then if these method still doesn't work, then what I would suggest is to delete your Facebook app and then reinstall it once again. So go ahead on your home screen, delete your Facebook, click on remove or delete, and then reinstall on the App Store or your Google Play Store. So that's it. That's how you can fix Facebook account logout issue.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.